Okay, it's afternoon here on Friday, and we're going to another orangutan feeding at a different place. So we're walking along a boardwalk. It's not too bad right here in the mottled sun and part shade, but it's still pretty hot, and we couldn't bring our water or anything with us in here, so we'll have to survive here somehow. Food over there.
Oh god, yeah.
Orangutans up there, monkeys are there. There's one on the wire on the top there also.
Turn around to get a picture of that. Oh,
right.
sorry.
That's okay. Oh, right here, they're right in back of me. And the monkeys are feeding back here, as you can see. I don't know, there's big crowds here also, so I'm going to pan around so you can all see the crowds. Okay. Here we go. There you go, see more crowds. Okay.
There was one that said it on the posters in there. It's not around. I wonder if that's them. I think it's him all grown up because those were quite old. So big. Like you could probably run around a bit, 50 meters.